FMCA chapters from across the country have gathered here in Gillette, Wyoming to celebrate 50 years.
I'm Rosie and this is Fred Deffenbaugh, and we live in Minnesota. One of our favorite memories was at the St. Paul in 2008, the St. Paul Convention. And a bunch of us, since we're all from Minnesota, there were a whole bunch from the Pioneers group that came to that convention. Well, so we were all sitting around. It wasn't a campfire, but just in a circle. And I had a remote control flatulence device that I put under John's chair. We won't say last names. Anyway, so I was and John was talking to Richard. And they were both talking and talking, and everybody else was in on the joke. And they weren't doing a thing. And finally, one of us said to John, "John, will you control yourself?" And John says, "Oh, I'm sorry." Anyway, so then he says, "Wait a minute." And he looks under his chair, and here was this flatulence device. Well, we all howled and howled and howled. We laughed for hours. Well, the funny thing, of course, is John takes the hit thinking it was Richard that was doing it. And then Richard said that every time John was talking, he'd pause, and then all of a sudden they'd hear a and it was just hilarious. Anyway, that's the kind of fun we have at the Pioneers. If you're ever in Minnesota, look us up. We have a blast. We might play a trick on you.
We have activities for grown-ups, too.
But they're not as much fun.